Hello team, how's it going? We are back on our Bitcoin chart to do an analysis for you and study the price action in the last couple of weeks to see how price went forward according to our analysis. If you recall, in our previous insight, we told you that price had two scenarios. The first scenario was to go bullish and keep moving upwards, and the second scenario was to actually come a little bit higher and then go down to lower levels. Okay, now let's see what actually happened. The most important point in our previous video was actually the type of reaction we were going to get around this zone. And what really mattered was the type of reaction we got at this zone to determine whether we were going to stay bullish or bearish on Bitcoin. So let's see what happened in the coming days after our analysis. First, price went up, and then it started to slow down, and finally it went for a correction. The thing is that price did not even have enough momentum to reach the technical level and went straight down with the second bearish scenario. And without even getting a fight around this level, we got to wait at this zone in order to decide whether price was going to go to lower levels or not. So let's continue. After days of ranging, price finally continued to go down and reach the bottom of our box. This is where we told our members on our Telegram channel that this is the last defense for the bulls to keep the price in a bullish momentum. And if we lost this support zone, things are going to look really bad for Bitcoin. But let's see what happened. After a few days of indecision, price finally started to recover. And just according to plan, it went up. And right now, we are already playing inside the wave E of our initial analysis. As you can see, everything was predicted a long time ago. For 2 weeks, we published this roadmap so you would know how price was going to actually go. And now we have to discuss what's going to happen next. Well, as you can see, there is a chance that this initial pattern turning into another diametric pattern because crypto market is very complex and most of the corrections usually turn to be a diametric or symmetric patterns. Now let's see what we got here. So if we turn on our new analysis, you can see that we already have a scenario in play. Now as you can see, we expected wave E to be extended to this level, and with this new momentum, we believe price could go to higher levels to reach 118 to 121k level one more time. But this move could happen with another pullback if you're lucky. With the current momentum of this bullish scenario, we have to pinpoint the exact technical zone that wave E is going to finish. Right now, we are standing at a very critical resistance, and any time it is possible that price goes for a pullback to start wave F. Now, this wave could come in a form of ranging, so the other altcoins could catch up with the market because Bitcoin pulled a lot of liquidity in order to pull such a stunt in the market. And with wave F coming down, we can have another opportunity to buy in the pullback. But you should keep in mind that in order to open sell positions, you need to get proper confirmation because wave E has gone just according to plan and we know that it's gonna end, but pinpointing the exact number with such momentum requires us to go into lower time frames to study the patterns forming around here. But for now, we are happy with a growth around 8%, and we prefer to start booking our long positions on Bitcoin in order to see what happens next. And if you want any other analysis, just leave a comment on our page. Until next analysis, stay safe and enjoy trading. Bye.